Royal Enfield has officially unveiled the much-anticipated Himalayan 750, alongside an electric adventure prototype, known as the Hemi. These developments mark a significant step forward in Royal Enfield's adventure motorcycle lineup. The Himalayan 750 features a fresh half-fairing design, highlighted by a distinctive LED headlight, consistent with Royal Enfield's modern models. Notable design updates include trapezoidal mirrors, dual front disc brakes, and a new wheel setup with a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels. The windscreen is noticeably taller, enhancing wind protection for riders. The fuel tank, designed in a rally-inspired tower layout, is visibly larger, and the motorcycle retains the TFT instrument cluster carried over from the Himalayan 450. Its single upswept exhaust and more robust bodywork lend the bike a traditional adventure-ready appearance, including improved wing protection. At the core of the Himalayan 750 lies a 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from Royal Enfield's existing twin-cylinder platform. This engine is expected to deliver around 55 PS of power and 65 Newton-meters of torque, marking a considerable improvement over the current Himalayan 450. The enhanced performance aims to provide better long-distance touring capabilities and improved off-road potential. Alongside the Himalayan 750, Royal Enfield is testing the Hemi, an electric adventure motorcycle prototype. The Hemi is equipped with aggressive knobby tires, a gold-finished USD front fork, and a single-pedal disc brake with radially mounted calipers. While visually impressive, Royal Enfield has confirmed that the Hemi is currently a development platform and not intended for immediate production. It serves as a testbed for the company's future electric motorcycle ambitions.